Jury is deliberating in the retrial of a local restaurant owner. Adnan Pehlevan is accused of following a group of women home from a bar on the south side, then sexually assaulting one of them. His first trial ended in a mistrial. Jury also deliberating the trial of a man accused of shooting and killing two people outside a club in McKees Rocks. Police say Charles Becker was part of a group that got into a fight with another group outside Club Erotica in January. The same judge is hearing both cases at the same time. Meghan Schiller has the latest on both trials tonight. Meghan?
Ken, it's not necessarily common for a judge in a courtroom to bounce back and forth between two cases and two juries, but it happened today because Judge Mariani found himself double booked. New video obtained from nearby security cameras could be key evidence in the Club Erotica case, and KDKA got a copy. It shows the moment of the fatal shooting outside that McKees Rocks club on January 29th. A young man named Charles Becher is on trial. He claims he was acting in self-defense during the fatal shooting. Becher claims a group of men were threatening his female cousins outside, and he simply tried to break up the fight. He claims he was down on the ground being physically attacked, and a bullet had already hit his leg when he then reached for his gun. But prosecutors claim Becher didn't need to grab for his gun, and he should have just retreated. That big fight wound up with two people dead. Becher's charged with killing just one of the two victims, 31-year-old Seth Andrew McDermott. At the same time, former Istanbul Sofra owner Adnan Pehlevan is back in court. He went to court already back in 2019. That jury acquitted him on some counts and couldn't decide on others. He's now back on trial, accused of burglary, involuntary deviant sexual intercourse, and sexual assault following an alleged sexual assault on the South Side in 2018. He's accused of buying young women shots at the bar and then following the women home, allegedly breaking into the home and performing oral sex on an alleged victim. The juries in both Pehlevan's case and Becher's case kept coming back to the judge asking questions. Specifically, both juries wanted to watch video again that was originally played for them during the trial in the courtroom. Both of the juries, it appears, are going to be set up with a laptop of some sort so they can watch that video again. They've both been dismissed for the day, and they'll be back here in the courtroom at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning to continue those deliberations. Reporting live downtown outside the courtroom, Meghan Schiller, KDKA News.